Hello and welcome back to the expo floor. We're here in front of the training and certification booth. Please come down and say hello. And today I've got with me Robert Koch. Rob, tell me a bit about what you're doing here at reInvent 2019.
Sure, I came here, number one, to party. But really, one of my goals here is to learn and expand my knowledge. I just want to dive in. I think this is a great diving in point in comparison to some of the things I've seen before. Database is a great example. The technology and the understanding that I've got. Neptune is one of the things that I really dove into, QLDB. A lot of unknowns are out there for me with technology, so it's been really wonderful to see what's there and just expand my knowledge base. I'm using that information to prepare me actually for the next certification test.
Which will be your database, is that correct?
That is correct, yes, the database test.
So here you did your data analytics test, which has recently replaced our big data certification. Tell us a bit about how you went.
Well, the test, boy, it was a tough one.
I've heard.
Prior to taking the test, I had done big data. Prior to big data, I know it replaced it, but with big data, they had still given me some nightmares, actually.
Okay.
But the data analytics test, I would say it's a long test. Whereas, beta was a little different. It had 85 questions, and that's, half a day. So I had to really prepare for that test. But as far as the actual test, it was pretty tough. A lot of new things that AWS is bringing down the pipeline is happening all the time. So I did recognize some of the new things, but not all of them are ones that I've caught on to yet or have had a chance to study. So I think that there were some questions that I maybe did a guess or had a miss on. I'm going to hope for the best.
And if you were to prepare better for next time, what would you do differently second time round?
So next time I would look more in depth at the topics that were recently added into the keynote speaker's address. For example, Glue, Athena, some resilience topics like S3. Redshift is another one.
Perfect.
So I would just more fully prepare on those because I think they're key in passing that exam.
A few tips there for your viewers if you're looking to sit your data analytics test. Rob, you're also a data hero. Can you tell us a little bit about what that Data Heroes program looks like?
Sure. First of all, I want to give a big shout out to AWS for selecting me. I'm in the first group of the Data Heroes, and I think there's 9 of us all together. Some are big database, some are analytics, so it's just been a wonderful group. And we are very involved within the community. We share knowledge with one another. We like to educate people on what to expect, maybe what to study to pass the exam. I'm always willing to chat, share, talk about databases with anyone. I love talking about technology. And so, yeah, that would be fine with me anytime.
Rob, thank you so much for joining us today. It's been an absolute pleasure. I'll hand over back to the main stage. See you later on CQ Games.